Jessica, and today I'm going to be adding some pink to my hair and cutting my own bangs. I got this, it's BTZ Beyond the Zone Color Gems Pastel Chic and Pink Semi-Permanent Hair Color because I do work at a place of business that's professional, so I didn't want to get anything permanent because it'll wash out after a few washes, and my boss is really cool, but I do have a full-time office job as an engineer, so this may not go over as well, but we'll see. Okay, so the directions say to clean your hair and towel dry it before applying it, so I'm going to do that. I'm just going to shampoo my hair and not condition it just to get it clean, and then I'll probably do this, shampoo again after the time frame, which is like 10 to 20 minutes, and then condition and hope for the best. Okay, so I think we'll start first by cutting my bangs while my hair is wet, and so I'm just going to make sure my hair is perfectly parted in the middle, and then grab the pieces in my curtain bang. So I think these are pretty much all my hair for bangs that I have for my curtain bangs, and we're just going to go with it. So I just kind of randomly kind of peruse around and see. I think you just grab your middle pieces and you just trim it, and then the side ones you kind of angle it. So we're just going to go with that. Goodbye, hair. I see people cutting upwards, so I'm just going to cut upwards some, but now I'm gonna just cut that off because I don't like it. Okay. And then I'm just gonna grab the right strands and just go like clip, 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 clip. And we're gonna grab this one, clip, and it's longer. Looks kind of good enough, right? My hair's so piecey. Okay, sure. I think that's okay. We'll go with this and see how it looks when it dries, and if I don't like it, I can always trim it up. I miss my hair already though. Okay, so next, that's gonna drive me crazy. Let me get some little thingies. We're going to clip my bangs back now. And we're going to clip my bangs back now. Boop. Okay. And I guess I feel like, I'm so nervous. So let's begin. I have this bowl and a silicone hair applicating brush, but I think I'm just going to use a toothbrush because I just don't know how well the silicone is going to go. It's maybe scented like bubblegum or something, but now I have my toothbrush, so I'm just going to brush it in some like strands. I think I'll put a towel under my shoulders so I just won't get my outfit damaged. Voila! Fancy smanchy. Okay, I don't know where to put it all, but I think I'll just go heavy on the ends and then kind of brush it lightly up, kind of like an ombre, but I'm not going to do it on every strand. So, And it says you should wear gloves, but I was too lazy to go to my car and get the gloves that I left in my car. So hopefully this will be okay. Yay! We did one strand so far. Yay! Okay. It might look a little crazy, but it's fine. Yay! And now just with the leftovers, I'm just going to brush it into my hair. Okay. Okay. And now we just wait 10 to 20 minutes. It's probably been a lot of time, but oh well, we'll see. Okay, now I have it all brushed out and I have it done, so we're going to try washing it out. I'm not sure how I want to do it. I think I won't worry about shampooing it again because it just says wash it out until the water runs clear. So I think I'll just put some conditioner in and then like just put my head in the water that's running and hope for the best. So I'm using this Japanese brand called Diane Moist Extra Vital. It has argan oil in it. And I'm just gonna get a few little pumps and we're just gonna put it in my hair and I'll just leave it for a few minutes to let it set in, I think. I like to put it in my scalp just because I'm worried that if I don't wash it out well, it'll make my hair look greasy. So that's why I don't worry about it. I'm going to use this Redken Extreme Cat treatment that you spray in your hair because my hairstylist was like, you have to get this for your hair because we just bleach it so much. So I have it. So I washed it out and it never had any color come out, so I don't know what that means, but it's time to dry now. Oh, by the way, I use this heat protectant by Kinra and it smells so good. It's like tropically, so I love this. And I did that before blow drying my hair, and now I'm going to apply Moroccan oil. I don't think I'm great at dyeing my hair color. I think I should have gone to my usual stylist, but she was like, if I do it, it's not gonna last that long. So I was like, oh, I'll just do it myself then, and maybe I'll experiment more in the future. But I do like how my bangs turned out. I think not going like all the way in and just slowly chopping as you need to definitely pays off. I really like that, and hopefully I'll have my hair styled and curled for the next video so you can see more of the pink. It's very faint. I'm not sure if it's just because of my lighting, but here, I'll bring my little stick thingy of light. Camera, ring light! Yeah, okay, yeah. So thank you so much for watching as always, everyone. I really appreciate your time. Please let me know what you think and any tips about how to do it. I'm really bad at like parting here, so that's why I just like left it all down. But I think maybe next time I'll just dye it all pink on the ends, kind of like an ombre or something. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. Bye everyone. So just kidding, it was nothing. I decided that I just didn't see enough pink, so I kind of went overboard and just like, I just grabbed the bottle and I just poured it in my hair, and then I just used that brush and my wet brush and I just combed it through, and it's kind of a lot, but I think it looks really cute. So let me know what you think. I curled it because I feel like it's not even, so you know curls hide things. So yeah, that's it. And I also put glitter in my hair because I love glitter. Yay! Okay, now super really do. Bye bye.